In this video, I will show you how to create demo account on Exness. So it's really easy. Firstly, you need to be signed to your account on Exness, and then on the left side, you want to choose My Accounts under Trading. And from here, you can see both real accounts or demo accounts. And if you don't have demo account, it's very easy to create it. You just need to click on this Open Account button. And from here, you can choose your account type. So you can keep this default on standard, then click on Continue. And then you need to select demo. You can also create a real account from here, but in this video I'm showing you how to create a demo account. So choose demo. Then you can choose your currency. So let's say I want to trade in euros. So I'm going to select euros. Then you can change your starting balance. So let's say I want to start with 10,000 euros. Then you can choose your nickname. So let's say, I don't know, test. Then you can also change leverage. So you can keep it on this, or you can also add custom leverage, or you can choose from those leverages. So let's say I want to have this 1 to 100. Next, you can choose platform. So if you want to trade on MetaTrader 5, so you can keep this on MT5, and then you want to create your trading password. So I'm gonna quickly create my password here, and then click on create account. And now your demo account has been created and you can start trading if you click on this yellow trade button. Now from here you can choose if you want to trade on Exness Terminal or if you want to trade on MetaTrader 5. So let's say I'm going to choose Exness Terminal, and this will open this terminal where you can start trading on your demo account without risk. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.